Two-factor authentication not working on Trading 212 app fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on Trading 212, you're definitely not alone. Many investors run into this issue after changing phones, reinstalling the app, or updating their device software. The good news: it's quick to fix once you know what's really going on. First, check your device's time settings. Go to your phone settings and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Two-factor authentication codes are time-sensitive. Even a few seconds of difference between your device and trading October 20th, 2025 servers can make your code invalid. Next, open the App Store or Google Play and make sure your Trading 212 app is fully updated. Outdated versions sometimes lose sync with the login servers or fail to trigger the verification process correctly. If you use Google Authenticator or Authy, open that app and look for sync time for codes in the settings. Once synced, generate a fresh code. That small step fixes mismatched codes in most cases. If you're waiting on a text message code and it's not coming through, switch off Wi-Fi and connect using mobile data. Also disable any phones, as they can interfere with SIM's delivery or security routing. If you still can't log in, uninstall and reinstall the Trading 212 app. This clears any old cache or login errors. Once reinstalled, re-enable your two-factor authentication. Prefer the using an authenticator app rather than SIMs for more reliability. And if you've changed phones or lost access to your authenticator, tap Can't Access Fa to start trading October 20th, 2025 secure recovery process. You'll need to verify your identity before restoring access. Once your phone's time, app, and codes are all synced, your two-factor authentication should work flawlessly again. Remember that extra security layer may seem frustrating when it fails, but it's the key to keeping your Trading 212 account and your money safe from unauthorized access.